Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Oreo ice cream. To begin, gather your 3 essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 15 Oreo cookies. Having your cream well chilled is key for achieving the perfect texture, so make sure it's been in the refrigerator for a few hours. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the Oreo cookies. Take about 15 of them and place them into a sturdy, large Ziploc bag. Using a rolling pin or even the back of a spoon, gently crush the cookies. You're aiming for a mix of small crumbs and slightly larger, irregular pieces to give your ice cream a wonderful textural contrast. Don't overdo it. Some chunks are great. Now for the creamy base. In a large, chilled bowl, whip 2 cups of your very cold, heavy cream using an electric mixer. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape firmly. Then, gently fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Mix carefully until just combined, ensuring you don't deflate the airy cream. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold your crushed Oreo pieces into the whipped cream and condensed milk mixture. Be careful not to overmix. You want those distinct cookie bits. Transfer this delightful mixture into a freezer-safe container, smoothing the top. Cover it tightly and freeze for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's perfectly firm and ready to scoop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.